Hello, dear viewers, and welcome to another insightful session where we equip you with the knowledge to thrive in various aspects of life. Today, we turn our attention towards the vegan diet, specifically addressing concerns about potential gaps in nutrient intake. By following these meticulously crafted steps, you can ensure a well-rounded, nutrient-rich vegan lifestyle. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Step number 1. Understanding your nutrient requirements. Before embarking on any diet, it's imperative to understand the nutrient requirements of your body. Research extensively on the essential nutrients and how they contribute to your overall well-being. This foundational knowledge will guide your vegan journey, ensuring you make informed choices. Step number 2. Incorporating adequate vitamin B12 sources. A vegan diet sometimes lacks in vitamin B12, a critical component for neurological functions and red blood cell production. To combat this, regularly consume fortified cereals, plant-based milks, and nutritional yeast, which are excellent B12 sources. Moreover, consider consulting a healthcare provider for appropriate B12 supplements, ensuring a steady intake to meet your bodily needs. Step number 3. Enhancing iron absorption. Iron, essential for oxygen transport in the body, is found in two forms, heme and non-heme. Since non-heme iron from plant sources is less readily absorbed, it's vital to increase its bioavailability. Achieve this by pairing iron-rich foods like lentils, chickpeas, and quinoa with vitamin C-rich fruits and vegetables, which enhance iron absorption substantially. Step number 4. Optimizing omega-3 fatty acid intake. To maintain heart and brain health, prioritize the inclusion of omega-3 fatty acids in your diet. Substitute fatty fish with plant-based sources rich in ALA, a type of omega-3 found in flax seeds, chia seeds, walnuts, and hemp seeds. Consistent consumption allows your body to convert ALA to the more active forms, EPA and DHA, fulfilling your omega-3 requirements. Step number 5. Prioritizing calcium-rich foods. For strong bones and teeth, calcium is your best friend. Vegans can source calcium from fortified plant milks, tofu prepared with calcium sulfate, almonds, and leafy greens such as kale and collard greens. Strategize your meals to incorporate these calcium-rich foods regularly, ensuring robust bone health. Step number 6. Boosting zinc intake. Zinc, a mineral integral for immunity and wound healing, requires special attention in a vegan diet. Emphasize on consuming legumes, nuts, seeds, and whole grains which are rich in zinc. Given its lower bioavailability from plant sources, you might need to consume them in slightly larger quantities to meet your daily requirements. Step number 7. Vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin. Vitamin D, often synthesized through sunlight exposure, plays a significant role in calcium absorption and bone health. Considering that it's scarcely found in plant foods, make a concerted effort to get ample sunlight. Additionally, you might opt for supplements or fortified foods to ensure adequate vitamin D levels. In conclusion, adopting a vegan lifestyle can be a nourishing and fulfilling experience when approached with knowledge and planning. Remember, it's a journey of continuous learning and adaptation. With each step, you inch closer to mastering the art of a balanced and nutrient-rich vegan lifestyle. Thank you for joining us in this enlightening session. We hope these detailed steps serve as a beacon, guiding you towards a thriving vegan lifestyle. Subscribe to our channel for more empowering content, and stay tuned for more insights and guidance. Until next time, take steps towards a healthier, happier, and more empowered you.